right, welcome back.
Okay, so up here we have a chord progression.
One of my favorite songs on the planet.
Really, really good song, which we're going to show you in the next lesson. A 4 times, this is the chorus. A 4 times, D twice, back to A. So don't get confused with these two A's, you know, and don't substitute these A's when you go back around to the beginning. Don't cut these first two off. You still have to play these and then these.
Yeah, that's a common mistake. When the progression ends with the same chord that the progression begins with, a lot of times students drop the first chords, right? See? So 4 A's, 2 D's, 2 A's, then 4 A's, 2 D's, 2 A's.
And then the same accents on 2 and 4.
Reggae style.
Okay, play it through a few times, kind of slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, D. 2, 3, 4, A. 4. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, A. Back to the beginning one more time. 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, D. 2, back to A. 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Nice.
Let's see. That was about maybe actually that's about 80% speed of the actual thing. So it's not that far off, you know. It's not a fast song, you know. It's a reggae song, so you know, reggae songs are kind of, you know, more or less relaxing in a way.
Yeah.
So a little bit faster.
Do we want to do that we'll do that in the practice along, bring it up to tempo, right?
Okay. Okay.
All right. So come back if you need practice the slow tempo, you can practice it again. But we're going to do the slow tempo one more time in the practice along, and then we'll bring you up to speed. Okay?
So write this down.
But yeah, that's right. Write that down. It'll be helpful. 4 A's, 2 D's, 2 A's. See you in the next lesson.